So, you finally decided you need an answering service? Great idea! But how do you switch from answering your own phone calls to having an entire team of customer service ninjas handling your calls around the clock? Here's how to get the most out of your new answering service. First, define why you need an answering service. Are you missing important after-hours calls? Do you want a professional voice to represent your business? Or maybe you just want to provide better customer service. Define your goals and let your new answering service know what you expect. Next, create an intro for your calls. Your call intro should make your callers feel important while also directing them to the next step of the call.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Acme Widgets. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Then, create a closing so that your callers know what to expect. Who will be responding to the call? How will the caller receive a response? And when should the caller expect a response?
Thanks again for your call, Mr. Smith. Ms. Jones will return your call by this evening.
Finally, perform test calls. You wouldn't buy a car without test driving it, would you? So call and call again. Provide your answering service with feedback and be open to suggestions about how your call flow can be improved. Do you want an answering service that will step you through this process? Call Answer First at 1-800-645-2616 or visit our website, answerfirst.com. Our customer service ninjas are standing by.